throw a small pebble into waters. When we throw a small pebble into waters, we get small sound. After some time, that sound goes out. And when children come to us, they make noise. What noise? Audible noise. Okay. Then we tell them, warn them, children, don't talk. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Something, something, something. They might shut up their mouth, but they cannot shut up their minds. Shutting up mind is meditation. Reaching the status is samadhi, the zero possible. Zero. That means ears, no sound. Eyes, ears, nose, skin, all those becomes silence except swas, breathing. Breathing goes on normally as we took our breath in the womb of our mother. That is the status. The status of the fetus in the womb of the mother. There is no mind. When 9 months we were in the womb of our mother, taking energy from the mother to the navel, Manipura chakra. But after taking birth, we cried. Why? Entering into noisy world, different world. So, physical silence, touchable. This is physical silence, touchable, audible. Spiritual silence, your experience. Absolute silence, like that of cosmos. Or, if you are a scientist, the silence of a nucleus in an atom. Silence of the nucleus in an atom. Nucleus is silent. What we call neutrons or positrons or whatever trons. When you break the nucleus, energy comes out. Very simple. You call it exothermic and whatever it is. Like a rock, a stone. There is energy, inertia, inert, exert, expert. So just think of the universe, cosmos, for a while. Sit on your terrace or your balcony, close your eyes, or look at the sky, for example. Comfortably safe places, safety, security, fundamentals, please. Look at the sky and try to forget noisy world. Like a bird sitting at the top of the hill, an eagle sitting on the top of the hill, at top of a tree, it just observes. The bird doesn't care about the noisy world. The clouds do come and come, doesn't care. Winds move and make noise. Trees, winds trouble the trees sometimes, but doesn't care. So silence again, physical silence, spiritual silence, cosmic silence, divine silence, or ultimately absolute silence. The only thing is, state of mind must be aligned. Mind must be withdrawn for a while, giving full freedom to the body to take rest and energy on its own, by its own, for its own. The basic philosophy. Like giving our vehicle to a servicing center. Okay, materialistic. Friends, I tell you, our body constitution out of an experience, reading and writing, doing sadhana for so many years, as Professor Srinagar said, America and different places, even now. Only two things you find. If you close, you'll observe muscles and bones, nothing else. Only muscles and bones. Some muscle may be strong, so what? Cartilage. So what? But muscle is a muscle. So muscles, water, and bones, nothing left. So these things must be kept in mind. But going to, so these are Ashtanga Marga Patanjali. So I have designed, I have codified, bringing out a book, Sapta Yoga, in a Saptanga Marga, not alone Panchanga Marga. Panchanga means, again repeat, 5 elements. Panchabhuta means element. As the element within us, So the ailment outside, as the element within us, so the ailment outside.